Hey, baby girl, what you doing? Hey, Amanda, is there anything to drink?
I don't know. Let me go look.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Well, I have some diet root beer or some water.
Nah, that sounds boring.
Well, what about my homemade ginger ale?
Oh, yeah, that sounds pretty good. Can you show me how to make it?
Yeah, let's go. First, you need a gallon pitcher.
Okay. That's plenty for me.
We're supposed to share.
I'll
And
let you
then
have a cup.
I need my swerve and some vinegar. And the main ingredient, ginger. And then my cooking utensils, measuring utensils, sorry.
You're going to cook it, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
I need a liquid measuring cup, 1/4 of a teaspoon, and I don't have a 2/3 of a cup, so we're going to fill this up twice. Oh, I forgot my baking soda. I need that. Let's go get it. Then first, pop the lid off. You will need to put your dry ingredients. You need 1/4 of a teaspoon of your ginger. Plop.
Easy enough.
Yeah. Then you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda.
Nice.
Make sure you level it off.
Oh, okay. Doesn't sound like no drink to me yet, but okay.
We're getting there.
Okay.
Then I get my 2/3 cups of my healthier sugar.
That's cool. Good stuff. Won't spike my insulin. Yeah.
Nope.
Don't want to get fat.
No. You need 2 of those because I don't have a 2/3 cup.
Make sure they're level, right?
Nah.
Okay. Whatever. I'm just guessing. I don't know, guys. I'm learning. You know how we are.
Then I usually shake it together.
Shake and bake.
Get it all incorporated. Then you need to get your measuring cup, liquid measuring cup.
Liquid measuring cup. Okay.
And you need 1/4 of a cup of vinegar.
Okie doke.
That's 2 ounces. 2 ounces.
How much do I get out of this? What kind of goodies?
You get a gallon of the ginger ale, the healthy ginger ale. And you pour that in there.
Okay.
Then you need to mix in cold water. Fill it up to make it a gallon. And while that's filling up, get my handy dandy spoon, stirring spoon. That looks like about a gallon. Then you take your handy dandy spoon here and you make sure it's all dissolved really good. And I normally don't let them in on my secret concoctions.
When I was thirsty, so she had to let me know how to make it. Secret gone. I know your secret now.
I think that's pretty well.
I'll stick to my day job. I can't sing once a darn.
I think that's pretty well dissolved. Then you put your lid on there. Then you get 2 glasses, tall glasses, brick glasses, tall glasses. And you fill them up with some ice. And then you pour it over
Get your cup.
Get your cup and go. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Perfect. If you like ginger ale, try this out. It's very healthy for you.
Yes, it is.
Do you have any other drinks?
Yes, I have a strawberry smoothie. Either here or here, this corner. I can't remember which one it is.
Just press both of the videos.
Yes.
They're both healthy. My peanut butter one's on this side or
That side. Which one of those two sides?
Or you can press that round thing that has those funny looking creatures on it.
Yeah.
And you see what that is. I think you already know what that is. All right.
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.